Imagine a world where even those who have lost both eyes could regain their sight. Well, thanks to Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain chip startup, we might be closer to that reality than you think. Neuralink's experimental chip, known as Blindsight, has recently been designated a breakthrough device by the FDA. This status is given to revolutionary tech that could fast-track development, bringing hope to millions worldwide. Just yesterday, Musk tweeted that this implant could potentially allow individuals who have lost both eyes and their optic nerves to see again. A bold claim, but is it really possible? While this designation from the FDA doesn't mean the device has been fully approved, it shows that Neuralink is taking significant steps forward. The device is still in experimental stages, but its potential could revolutionize how we think about blindness. So, what makes this device so advanced? Neuralink's chip works by bypassing the damaged optic nerves and sending signals directly to the brain. It essentially rewires the way the brain interprets visual information. Though the road ahead is long, Neuralink's work is pushing the boundaries of human capability. Could we be on the brink of curing blindness? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.